What's up, guys? Welcome to Jerry Riders. Today I'm unboxing my new gold Baum bat. I ordered it like last week and it showed up way before it was supposed to, but yeah, so I'm just gonna open it. I am super excited about this, so I'm just gonna get ready. Well, here we go. Oh, so it's 33.5 inches. My old one is 32.5. This one is the new maple, as the old ones they had were made out of ash. Here, I still have the box from my old one, so I'm gonna pull it out. This is my old one. It's kind of beaten, you know. It's just a little short.